The Story of Four Friends. Once upon a time, there were four friends: Maitri, the loving-kindness tiger; Daya, the compassionate rabbit; Gawel, the joyful monkey; and Tengne, the equanimous elephant. They lived together in a beautiful forest. It was filled with fruit trees, colorful flowers, and clear springs, so the four were very happy. One day, Maitri the tiger saw a piece of meat on a rock and opened his mouth wide to eat it. Daya said, "Brother Maitri, that meat belongs to one of my friends, so you cannot eat it. If you do, my friend will surely become angry with you." Maitri listened and did not eat the meat. From then on, the loving-kindness tiger began to respect the wise little rabbit. Another day, when Daya the rabbit was drinking water, a wolf chased after her. The wolf was fast and about to catch Daya. At that moment, Gawel threw a stone at the wolf and saved Daya. The wolf ran away. Daya thanked the monkey, and Gawel replied, "You are my friend, so helping you is my responsibility." From then on, the two became the closest of friends. Then Gawel found a delicious fruit. He wanted to eat it all, but remembered his friends and shared it anyway. He thought, "If I don't share, I will lose my joy." From then on, the joyful monkey helped his friends as much as he could. Finally, Tengne, the equanimous elephant, was eating grass when another large elephant tried to eat that same patch. Tengne stood steady and spoke to the other elephant with a calm, firm voice. Tengne said, "Uncle Elephant, this grass is already taken. If you eat this grass, my friends will surely become angry with you." The other elephant listened to Tengne's equanimous words and did not eat the grass. From then on, Tengne began to respect his friends even more. From then on, the four friends lived their lives through loving kindness, compassion, joy, and equanimity toward one another. They were truly good friends, and their lives were very happy.